The EVERCROSS Tech EV12M Pro Children's Electric Motorbike is an exciting, feature-packed ride designed to bring adventure and safety together for young riders aged 3 to 12. With a powerful 300W motor and a top speed of 25 km/h, this mini motorbike offers an authentic and exhilarating riding experience in a format perfectly tailored to kids. It supports a weight capacity of up to 65 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide age range and multiple stages of childhood. Whether it's a first ride or a step up from a simpler model, the EV12M Pro grows with your child and adapts to their skill level. Assembly is a two-person job, and careful setup is essential to ensure all components are secure before each use. Once assembled, the motorbike simulates realistic engine sounds that immerse your child in the riding experience. With 3 adjustable speed modes, 8 km/h for beginners, 12 km/h for intermediate riders, and 25 km/h for confident young adventurers, the EV12M Pro gives kids the flexibility to ride safely while gradually building their skills and confidence. The 36V 4Ah battery offers a riding range of up to 15 km per charge, providing plenty of time for exploration without frequent recharging. One of the standout features of the EV12M Pro is its integrated Bluetooth speaker, allowing kids to connect their favorite music and enjoy a soundtrack to their outdoor adventures. Combined with eye-catching LED lights, every ride becomes a fun, personalized experience that kids will love. In terms of comfort and performance, the motorbike is built to handle more than just smooth pavement. The 12-inch rubber tires provide durable traction, while dual suspension absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, bumps, and rougher paths. This ensures a smoother, more stable ride, even when the terrain gets challenging. The drum braking system offers safe and responsive stopping power, giving both children and parents peace of mind during use. Designed to combine entertainment, comfort, and safety, the EVERCROSS Tech EV12M Pro is an ideal gift for active kids with a sense of adventure. Its smart design, modern features, and solid build quality make it more than a toy. It's a real mini riding machine that delivers big fun while supporting safe and responsible riding habits. Whether used in parks, open yards, or safe paved spaces, the EV12M Pro opens the door to exciting outdoor exploration with a blend of technology and thrill tailored just for kids.